Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online step by step. First, create a dedicated, quiet study space to minimize distractions. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a reliable device, like a laptop or tablet, ready to go. Before each session, gather all your materials, such as notebooks, pens, and textbooks, so you are fully prepared to begin learning without interruptions. To maximize your learning, actively engage with the course material by taking detailed notes, summarizing key points in your own words. Don't hesitate to participate in online discussions and ask questions to clarify any doubts you may have. Try breaking your study sessions into manageable one-hour blocks, followed by short breaks, to maintain focus and absorb information more effectively. Staying organized is key to online study success. Create a consistent study schedule and commit to following it daily, treating it like a regular class. Utilize digital tools, such as calendar apps or task managers, for reminders and to track your progress. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Finally, consistent review and self-assessment are crucial for long-term retention. Regularly review past material to reinforce your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. Test your knowledge with practice questions, quizzes, or by explaining concepts aloud. Reflect on your progress and be willing to adjust your study methods as needed to optimize your learning experience and achieve your academic goals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.